Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. So, today, again, in the kitchen, we have some broccoli, we have saltfish, we have mixed vegetables, guys. And this is a quick cook because Donnie's getting ready for work and I need something. Plus, we had meat for Sunday's dinner. So, on this side, we have the water boiling. And again, when I cook, I use a lot of olive oil. And that is popping right now. So I'm gonna give it a quick stir so you can see what is in there. Oops. I have the carrots, I have broccoli. I think we have some cauliflower. Yeah, we do have those. It's a nice mixture, guys, and get your vegetables in. You eat some meat, you eat some vegetables, and again, as I said, my husband does not like vegetables without saltfish, without a little something in it. So we add the saltfish to give it that flavor, and there you have it. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. That's it, no grease. Well, we have the olive oil, which is good grease. And a lot of broccoli help with the stomach and the digestion. We had meat on Sunday. Yesterday we ate light. And today we're doing some veggies. Because I think tomorrow we're going to do some meat again. I'm not sure if there is fresh fish out there. There we have it. And for the meat, the food, that's it. I'm going to be doing yellow yam. I'm going to do sweet potato. So I'm going to peel those and then I'll show you. I'll let that simmer. I'm going to lower the heat. Now you see, I'm going to teach you something, guys. When you're cooking, that's yellow yam in there. You see how those little dark spots are on there? Just put a little bit of oil in the pot with the food that you're cooking, and it takes all the ugly colors away. And when it's finished, you're gonna see them nice colors. So when you peel yam, yellow yam, or what else? Mostly it's yam. When you peel yam, it turns dark quickly if it's not in water. But remember, add some cooking oil to your water and you will see that the color, you get nice colorful, nice white yam. That is sweet potato. I'm adding sweet potato. It's only 3 of us, so we have more than enough. And I'll cover it and let that sit there. I like to lower the heat a little because you're not in a rush to cook it. These pots are so good, but the handles. And here, this is over here bubbling up nicely. You don't want it to overcook, guys. That's nice juices there. You don't want it to overcook. There you have it. That's Tuesday in the kitchen. I was gonna add some white potatoes, but I changed my mind because the pot has enough in it. So make it a great day by choice, my people. It's a beautiful day to be thankful. It's a little rainy here, but it's still to give thanks. Miss Bev is in the kitchen. I'm cooking, I'm cooking, guys. So not dressing up, just cooking. And so we're thankful we have what to cook. And we just have to make sure that we give God the glory for all of his blessings. Big blessings, little blessings, doesn't matter. Just give thanks. Make it a great day by choice, guys. And remember, when we talk about apologies, remember apologies means that you're sorry for something you did and you should not be repeating it. Can't say I'm sorry and then you keep doing the same thing. Once you make an apology, make it meaningful. Think about it. Don't say, I'm sorry I cheated on you, and then you go back and cheat again. Cheating means that you're hurting somebody. And when we do hurtful things and we say we're sorry about doing it, it should mean we're sorry. Shouldn't mean, well, because you want me to say I'm sorry, I'm going to say it. No, it should come from the heart. It should be something that we know when we care about people, we should never hurt them and we should never make them unhappy. So when you say you're sorry, you should mean it and do not repeat the thing that hurt your loved one, your friend, your children, whatever. All right, your students and students, the teachers. When students you are disrespectful and unkind, nobody should tell you to go say you're sorry. You should think about your actions, and when you say you're sorry, you mean it. All right, make it a great apologetic Tuesday and mean that apology, guys. Much love from Miss Bev's kitchen to your eyes and your hearts and your soul and your thumbs up and your subscription and your membership. Thank you so much for all things. Appreciate you. Totally appreciate you. Bye.